Question 15, express this as a fraction. So let a equal 0.6424242. Now we've got to multiply this by something so that this 42 repeat continues. If I was to multiply by 10, I would get 6.424242, and you notice that isn't in line. So if I multiply by 100 instead, I get the 6 and the 4 come over, so I get 64.2424242, and so on. I can now subtract, and I end up with 99 lots of A. All of these bits that repeat disappear, and I'm left with the sum 64.2 minus 0.6, so that becomes 63.6. Divide to get A on its own, and then I can't have decimals and fractions in my answer, so times by 10 to get rid of the decimal point, and I get 636 over 990. It doesn't ask in the question you to simplify it, so leave it as that. Part B, inequality, rules of indices. So there are two rules at play here. There's the first is the negative sign, and then there's the fact that we've got a half as well. Now the negative means the inverse of this. So in the context of a fraction, that just means to flip the fraction upside down. Now I can still have the power of a half, but the minus sign is gone. Second rule at play here is that you need to know that power of a half is the same as doing the square root of the number. So I get the square root of 36, and the answer to that is 6. Technically it's plus or minus 6, because the square root of 36 could be positive or negative 6, but they will accept just the positive 6.